Hi, this is Wei Pan. I live in Hacienda Heights. Our house is kind of old. I live here for 23 years and never been remodeled. And since we retired, and we would like to have the place that be more comfortable and also functional. I found Treeium on the website, and actually I interviewed 13 contractors, and Treeium is the 12th one. The reason I choose Lior, when he came, he presented Treeium as a very reliable, reputable company. And none of the contractors that I interviewed, they presented that. And the workers, they are very professional. They come on time. And Lior always schedule workers, to come and work. So to me, that's unbelievable, so I can expecting that the project will finish on time. And this house turns out to be beautiful. And we are so happy with not only we have a beautiful house, is this journey, this remodeling journey is worry-free and exciting. I'm really happy. Lior is the best contractor. If I have friends or family members, they want to do remodeling, I definitely refer Lior and Treeium to them. And I want to thank Treeium. I want to thank Lior especially for giving us this beautiful, beautiful home.